So I just unboxed the Ams Oil kit for 3rd Gen Tacoma with the 3.5 liter. So anyway, let's see what comes in the kit. All right, real quick, I want to give a shout out to my buddy Casey. I guess he is an Ams Oil dealer, and he actually got me this kit here. And we're going to go ahead and see what all comes in the kit. A 3rd Gen Tacoma with the 3.5 liter V6. It takes 6.2 quarts for an oil change, and this actually gives you a little extra. There's 7 quarts here, so you got plenty to do your oil change and some left over. And the kit does come with a filter. I was wondering about that. I thought it might have just been the oil. It does come with a filter as well, so you don't have to stop somewhere again and get another filter. And it's a good Wix filter. I do not know what this is yet, but it says useful tools inside, and there's a little message from the guy on here. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, so it comes with some rubber gloves, which I got a box of them that I keep in the garage just for stuff like this. Oh, it even gives you a sticker for your service date and everything, and a little funnel. This is useful. I think I might actually use this just so I can keep track of it in my head, but this is nice to have something somewhere that you can see. So I might actually stick that somewhere once I do the oil change, which will probably be tomorrow, and I will have a video on that. Now the filter, I'm not so much going to need this, because when I do my oil change video, I am going to go over, kind of do a review of Motivex tools. And as you can see here, I have actually used these tools several times before. It actually comes with a funnel. You take your fill cap off where you put your oil in at, and this will actually thread in there so it's solid. Because, if you ever use a funnel and you pour oil into it too fast, your funnel tips over and oil goes everywhere. So this is pretty handy. For these little cartridge filters, you have to drain the oil that's out of the housing that the filter goes into. And, usually these come with a little, actually I'll just show you. There's probably one in here. Yep. One of these to get the oil out. And this is terrible if you ever dealt with this. You gotta push that up in there, and then the oil just comes right out of it. It gets all over your arm and everything. Well, the Motivex tools, its kit comes with this. It's like a little drain line. You or screw it in there, and you got like a little valve that you as you screw it up, you do like a tightening motion to expose the holes here for the valve, and the oil will drain out of this line away from you. You won't get it all over you. Now, in the kit, this line is a really long line, and I didn't need it that long, so I did cut it. So, you can do that as well. And to get the housing off, where the filter sits into, they actually come with this little filter wrench. It's made for that, and nowhere that I know of makes anything that's actually designed for that other than the Motivex tool one. And it takes a 3/8 drive ratchet. I usually put a little bit of a long extension in there, a ratchet, and this is a snug fit on there. You're not ever going to mess nothing up. And I've heard of even people running their filters all the time, not changing them because they can't get that housing off of there. Well, this fixes that problem. So anyway, that is going to be it for the video for the unboxing of the Ams Oil and the full kit here. And maybe tomorrow or the next day I am going to change the oil in the Tacoma, and I'll probably change front brake pads as well, so I'll have a separate video on both of those things, and a video on the Motivex tools, actually using them, actually seeing these things in action. So anyway, y'all stay tuned, and I'll see y'all on the next one.